Sergio Perez trying to go around the outside of the McLaren. Lewis Hamilton gets into the